Now we are going to see 9th standard mathematics test 1, mean, median, identities and rational numbers. We will have problems from these topics. The marks obtained by 10 students are given. You have to find out the mean of their marks. The heights in centimeter of 11 players are given. You have to find out the mean height of the players. Ages in years of 12 participants in a competition are given. You have to find out the median age of the participants. Please note here it is not mean, median. Average marks obtained by 25 students in section A of class are given as 72, and the average marks of 30 students in section B are given as 78. You will have to find out the combined mean marks of all the students put together in section A and section B. Find the mean and median for the data given here. Here the data is given as class intervals are given here. Mark range is 0 to 20. Number of students, that is frequency is 5. 20 to 40 the frequency is 8. 40 to 60 the frequency is 15. 60 to 80 the frequency is 10. And the mark range 80 to 100 the frequency is 7. Now you have to find out the mean and median for the data. Next question is simplify the expression. Here it is a plus b whole squared minus a minus b whole squared form. What is a squared minus b squared? A plus b into a minus b. Use that identity and solve it. Please note, you have to use the identity and solve. If x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 35, find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So you have an identity, you have to use the identity and solve this problem. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus of xy plus yz plus zx. You can find out xy plus yz plus zx using x plus y plus z whole squared formula. If a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, find a plus b whole squared minus a minus b whole squared. You have to use the identity and solve it. If x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, find the value of x cube plus y cube. Okay, here again there is an identity here. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x squared plus y squared minus xy. A rational number between 10 and 11 you have to find out. And 7 by 6 in decimal form you have to find out which option. On rationalizing the denominator of 1 by root of 7 minus root of 2 we get options are given, you have to select the option. Question number 13. Logarithm of 2 pi x squared minus by 3 minus 10x plus 7, the coefficient of x squared is. Now you can find out the option will be from this options. You can also write 0 also is an option, but that will be a special case because logarithm of 2 pi x squared by 3 itself can be expanded and there will be coefficient of x squared will be 0 there. But here we will have to find out the coefficient of x squared, this term. So the answer should be 2 pi by 3. You can try it yourself. The 0 of px is equal to 5x minus 3 is, you have to find out. Question number 15. If x minus 4 is a factor of x cube minus x squared minus ax minus 4, then the value of a is, here p4 is 0. So for substitute x is equal to 4, equate to 0, you will get the value of a. Do it, all the best.